Introduction to Automated Slack Messaging.
The previous user navigates in Slack can save time and improve team communication. By using Python, you can send customized messages to Slack channels or users without manual effort. This guide explains the basics of scheduling and sending automated Slack messages using simple Python scripts. No advanced programming experience is needed to get started.
What you need to begin.
Before you start, gather a few essentials. You'll need a free Slack account, access to the Slack workspace you want to message, Python installed on your computer, and a Slack API token. The token allows your Python script to interact securely with Slack, enabling it to send messages on your behalf.
Installing required Python libraries.
The process to connect Python with Slack. Install the Slack SDK library. This package makes it easy to send messages. Open your command line and type pip install Slack SDK to install it. By using standard libraries like schedule or time, you can also automate when your messages are sent without extra setup.
Writing and sending your first message.
Create a short Python script to send a message. Import the Slack SDK library. Create a client with your Slack token and use the chat post message function. Specify the channel and the message text. Run the script, and your message should appear instantly in Slack. This basic setup forms the core of any automated messaging system.
Scheduling automated messages.
To automate message timing, add scheduling logic to your script. Use Python's schedule or time modules to set messages to send at specific times or intervals. For example, you can send daily reminders, weekly updates, or celebrate milestones, all without manual intervention.
Best practices and precautions.
Keep your Slack API token secure and avoid sharing it. Only send messages to appropriate channels or teammates. Consider creating a Slack bot account for automation using clear and helpful message text, and testing your script in a private channel before wider use. Respect your workspace's guidelines to ensure a positive experience for everyone.